The Amazfit Balance, the morning after. Do you hear that noise? Well, not the dogs barking. That's the sound of the alarm. I think it's lovely. And now it's off. I like it when the alarm sound, the tone is not annoying, and it buzzes. A buzzing and tone's nice. Outdoor walk with the Balance. Did you know it talks to you? Watch this.
Workout resumed.
Okay, here we go. We'll press the lap button.
Time 10 minutes and 17 seconds. Distance 0.41 miles. Speed 2.45 miles per hour.
Did you know we're walking that fast? Thus far, I really like the watch. And the readiness score? And there's my readiness score, 82. I'll have more about this watch soon. It tracks your sleep. It talks to you. The screen is gorgeous. And I think it is going to add some balance to my life. What do you think, puppy? Should we keep testing it? His answer is yes.